Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, me and my boys, we're here at the park and we're going to be riding some bikes. I got them some helmets, and that's what they're going to be doing is opening up the helmets, hopping on the bikes and having some fun, right boys?
Yeah.
So I guess Kevin, show us what you got. What kind of helmet you got?
I got this black helmet. It's really cool brand. As you can see, the brand looks amazing with lightning. So let's anyways unbox this thing.
Okay.
And let's get going.
All right. So Jason, what you got?
I got a Yuga helmet.
You got a Yuga helmet. All right. Some knee pads, some shoulder pads. You got everything over there. Elbow pads.
And
For me to learn how to ride a bike without training wheels.
Man, you're doing such a good job. And boys, how old are you?
I am 9.
I'm 6.
You're 6. I can't believe both of you guys are gonna be riding bikes that's a similar size. So both of them is size 20 wheel. That's impressive.
This is
Yeah, this is yours, right?
Yeah.
Can you figure out how to put it on yourself? So we're gonna do this quickly. So
I really like how they're all set up.
yeah, of course.
Actually, it feels like a turtle shell on my head.
That's what it is. It's a turtle shell for your knees.
To protect it.
So this one is a little big on you, Jason. All right, look at this area.
I like that.
You do?
Yeah, that they put seats near the truck. Should we go to the forest, ride our bike?
Yeah, we could do that, of course.
Either way.
All right, let's do that. Let's go that way.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Follow me. Go fast.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are looking for some knee pads, guys, check them out in a link in the description below. I got 2 different links. One of them costs a little bit more, the other one costs a little less. They're just a little bit different, so see which one you like best. Thank you guys once again, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.